Hello everybody. I'm kind of busy lately because I'm trying to walk a little more so time flies. So I'm quickly making for my breakfast, which is almost 11, fried eggs. My water is here boiling. So once it boils, I just throw in my beans. What I want it to do is to be a bit crunchy. I don't like these beans to overcook. This should not be more than 2 minutes so it can stay crunchy. I like the crunchiness, so no more than 2 minutes, and I just drain it. So this is it. It's nice and green still and crunchy still, and I like my eggs nice and crispy on the sides, but the yolk is still soft. That's how I like my eggs. So you have to heat up your pan first. It has to be really heated up, and then you can put your eggs in, and that's a way not to stick the eggs on the pan as well. So my friends, this is breakfast of a day that I eat. Sometimes I just eat the eggs alone. Sometimes I would just eat it with some keto bread, which I make several of them and have it ready on hand, and I would eat the yolk with the bread. I make several of them. Like I said, I make small little buns out of it and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So it's a 2-minute bread. It's so simple and easy. Something filling that will fill me up for sure, and I will have a cup of tea with this as well. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.